Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to learn some ways to say and pronounce very in Austrian German. On the one hand, we will cover the most important word sehr. On the other hand, we will also take a look at other words such as voll, ur, and others. So let's get started. The learning goal of this tutorial is to learn some ways to say very in Austrian German. First of all, very means sehr in Standard German. Sehr is also the most common way to say very in Austria. For example, sehr nett, very nice, sehr gut or sehr gut, very good, sehr fein, very fine. Another form of saying very in Austrian German is voll. In Standard German, voll means voll, which is full in English. For instance, you will come across the following phrases: voll nett, voll gut, voll fein. Every now and then, we can find a very strange combination. Austrians may say voll leer, voll leer. They want to say that something is very empty, but the one-to-one translation is fully empty. Furthermore, you will hear the term ur in Austria as well. Especially in Vienna, ur is used to say very in Austrian German. We can apply our examples: ur nett, ur gut, ur fein. And in Vienna, of course, ur-leiwand. For other Viennese words, please check out this video. In general, there are some additional words that can be used to say very in Austrian German. For instance, extrem, besonders, äußerst, außergewöhnlich, total. Summing up, we can conclude that sehr is definitely the most common way to say very in Austrian German. Voll and ur are also important words to say very. So thanks a lot for watching the Austrian German tutorial. Have a nice day. See you in the next video. Auf Wiederschauen und Servus.